Good morning, students. Today we solve the textual exercise of chapter number 2, parts of a plant. So, students, take out your textbook and open chapter parts of a plant. Now, open your page number 14. In class, tick the correct option. Number 1. What holds the plant firmly in the soil? Roots, stem. Correct answer is plant needs healthy roots to grow well. Options are true, false. Answer is true. Now students, open your page number 15. In class, take the correct option. Number 1. Mango plants have. Options are taproot, fibrous root. The answer is taproot. Number 2. Wheat plants have. Options are taproot, fibrous root. The answer is fibrous root. Now students, open your page number 17. In class, tick the correct answer. Number 1. Air enters a plant through. Options are roots, stomata. The answer is stomata. Number 2. Leaf veins are found only on the top of the leaf. Options are true, false. The answer is false. Now students, open your page number 19. In class, underline the correct word to complete each sentence. Number 1. Leaves, flowers are called the food factory of the plant. The answer is leaves. Number 2. Mangoes have one many seeds. The answer is 1. Number 3. Seeds, flowers have a baby plant in them. The answer is seeds. Now students, open your page number 20. Exercises. Question number 1. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Which part of the plant holds it firmly in the soil? The options are stem, leaf, root, seed, and the answer is root. Number 2. Which of these plants have fibrous roots? Options are bean, grass, mango, neem. The answer is grass. Number 3. Which part of a plant has stomata? Options are leaf, root, flower, fruit. The answer is leaf. Now open your page number 21. Number 4. Which of these plants have taproot? Options are sugarcane, wheat, bean, maize. The answer is bean. Number 5. Which part of a banana plant makes food? Options are root, leaf, fruit, flower. Answer is leaf. Now question number 2. Tick the true statements and cross the false one. Number 1. All mango trees have the same type of leaves. Tick the correct. Is it true? Number 2. Leaf veins are found only on large leaves. This is false. So you have to cross it. Number 3. All plants have the same kind of roots. This statement is false. So you have to cross it. Number 4. Air enters a plant through its stomata. This statement is true. So you have to tick the correct one. Number 5. A seed has a baby plant in it. This statement is true. So you have to tick the correct one. Now question number 3. Study the drawings and fill in the blanks. The leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots, and stem are part of a plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. The root absorbs water, W-A-T-E-R, water, for the plant. The leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, use sunlight, S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water, and carbon dioxide to make food for the plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Most plants bear flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. The flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, forms a fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, with one or many seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds. The seed, S-E-E-D, seed, can form a new plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Now see students, this question number 4. Answer the following question in one sentence. And question number 5. Answer the following question in 2 to 3 sentences. These 2 question answers PDF we are providing you. So from that PDF you have to write down the answer. Now students, open your page number 22. See here one poem is given. So you have to read this poem very carefully and you have to solve these questions in one sentence or in one word in revision copy. You have to write down these answers in revision copy, not in your EVS copy. Getting? So now see students, circle the part of the plant that poem describes. In this poem, what are the parts of a plant is shown. So you have to circle in this figure. Getting? Now question number 2. Which part soaks up water from the soil? Which part? That is the roots. Which part? Roots. Number 3. Which part bring water to the leaves? Which part? That is the stem. Number 4. Which part soaks up sunlight? Which part soaks up sunlight? That is the leaves. Why do plants soak the rays of the sun? To prepare the food. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. Mint is a herb. What kind of stem does it have? You have to read the lesson and solve the question. Mint is a herb. So what is the type of the stem? You have to write down here. Where are the stomata present on a tomato plant? Where are the stomata present? On leaves. Now see students, value based questions. Think and answer. Why should we not pluck the leaves and flowers of plant? Why we did not pluck the flowers or the leaves of the plant in garden, in park, wherever you went? So why? So that answers you have to write down in your own way, because it is the value based question. What do you think? You have to write down in revision copy, not in EVS. Getting? Now activity zone. Obtain the plants given below. Observe and write the type of roots these plants have? Methi, that is the fenugreek. It is having the tap root. Number 2, spring onion. Spring onion having the fibrous roots. Number 3, coriander. Coriander is having the tap root. Number 4, grass. Grass is having the fibrous root. Now see students, here project zone. Group work. It is the group work. Many kinds of small plants grow during the rainy season. Locate 2 different kinds of wild plants. One, that is A, having leaf veins arranged as straight lines, and the other, that is B, with leaf veins arising from the midrib. Uproot these 2 plants, study their roots and answer the following questions. Now, see students, that plant A is having the straight lines, that is the veins are arranged in a straight lines. In which type of plants? That is the grass, and grass is having the fibrous root. Then another one, which one is given? That is veins arising from the midrib, like mango, bean. So these are having the taproot system. Now see question number 1. Do both types of plants have the same kind of roots? Yes, no. The answer is no, because different types of plants are having the different kinds of roots. That is, some are having taproot, some are having the fibrous root. Number 2. Which plant has taproot? B. Which plant has fibrous root? That is A. Now draw the roots in your notebook. You have to draw the roots in your revision copy. Now see students, this is all about the textual exercise of your chapter Parts of a Plant. Now see students, question number 4 and question number 5, that is answer in one sentence and answer in 2-3 sentences, and along with the keywords that we will provide in a PDF. So that keywords, then question and answers, all you have to write down in your EVS fair copy. And remaining, that is your assignments, home assignments and your activity, whatever the another work you are providing, so that you have to write down in revision copy only. Assignments and your activities you need not to solve in your EVS copy. In your EVS copy, you have to write down only keywords, answer in one sentence and answer in 2-3 sentences, which we are providing in a PDF. That much only you have to write down in your EVS copy, and rest all work, assignments, activities you have to solve in your revision copy. So students, have a nice day. Bye.